So roughly 15 days are remaining for GATE Aerospace exam 2023. Last moment winning strategy is something like this. Whatever days you are remaining with, you divide every day into 3 sections. First day, like first portion of your day, whenever you are waking up, you wake up at 5 a.m. or 8 a.m. or 2 p.m. doesn't matter. Whenever you are waking up, in the first portion of your 3 things, you have to revise your notes, like whatever notes you have made, like your handwritten notes or whatever sources you have taken out, printouts, or you have something in your mobile phone. So you just list down everything, like whatever the things you have to. This is very, very important. Like many times you don't revise things. Some important things are there in your laptop somewhere, tablet or phone somewhere. You have saved long back to read this, but you have not done yet. So you list down the points, like okay, these many notebooks you have, like suppose you'll be having 6 to 7 notebooks, or you'll be having, some students are having bigger text, so they will be having 10 books, 10 notebooks. So every day when you're waking up, your first strategy to complete your entire revision. It may take for few students, it may take 7 hours. For few students, they may finish early, like 4 hours, like that. So first strategy is the this thing, because see, right now in these 14 days, if you are learning any new thing from any sources, either from my videos or from YouTube or some also, that will be very, very difficult to like recall that thing in exam hall. So our focus should not be on the learning new things in the last 14 days. Okay, so one thing, if you are the student like who have completed the syllabus long back, for them this strategy will be something else. But students who are still confused, still going through some preparation plan, still they have something to cover. For those students I'm saying, so right now you have to divide your day in 3 parts. So in the first part, you have to go for the complete revision. Complete revision means all the core subjects, mathematics, and definitely in apti part you can't revise, because only few things you can revise in apti part, like you can remember some probability formulas. You can keep revising some tricks of, like in case of percentage, in case of like compound interest, like these kind of small formulas, or some important formulas of integration if you are missing or forgetting, or some important formulas of geometry, like in case of frustum, what is the total volume, like these kind of tricky formulas. So these formulas, you definitely you will be having some list, right now you can't start if you have not done these things. Like you are sound, like you may think, oh sorry, sounding like this, so yeah, this part is to cover that part. No, that is not the strategy. Whatever you have made, that thing you have to revise. If you have not made something like the way I am saying, no problem. Whatever notes you have, if you have only 2 notebooks, no problem, you keep revising only 2 notebooks. So now come to the second part of your day. So in second part of it, again I'm saying, it is like, it is not decided like only 3 hours you need for revision. For some students it may go for 6 hours of revision. So first part is revision, only revision. Next part, like the second half part, the revision is in that next part, you have to read new things. And if you have already covered everything, then no problem. Again in that part, you will solve some numericals from assignment what I have given, or you will be solving test series, or because I have told you to renew the entire test series, so you can solve the test series again, or you can like some standard books are there, so in those books definitely some questions you have not solved yet in mathematics, so you can solve that. And if you are 100% prepared like before itself, then no problem, you keep revising again. So in that case, you can go for the slow and stable revision. Now the third part of your night. So third part, mostly it will come in night for everyone before you go to the sleep. In that case, yeah, in that time, what will you do? You will try to recall, like what will you do? So you will open your notebook and take a loose paper like this, and with that you keep over your notebook. It should go like this. Suppose this is your notebook. Okay, and points are written here. So what you do, you take a loose paper and you hide this, and just come little bit below, and you see what is the topic. Okay, and then try to recall that what are the formulas, what are the concepts, what are the diagrams, what are the graphs you have in this. Okay, and then you try to recall, okay, I know about this, or yeah, normal shock wave, and this, okay, I know this vibration, I know this. Okay, this part done. For example, if you are revising 1D vibration, so your topic is okay 1D vibration. So in 1D vibration, yes, okay, finally we have to reach to the frequency formula, and then we have the energy method, torque method. Okay, all done. I have done everything. No, I'm not able to. So if you are not able to recall something, then you put that thing at the priority list for the next revision. So in these 11 days, we have to go like this. Now see, if you are thinking that still in 11 days you can learn something, so first thing I will highly advise, don't bother about that, because this is not the university exam that okay there is definitely 16 mark question from this topic, so somehow we have to cover this, or definitely there is 8 mark question from this topic, so no, it is GATE exam. Even like me or anyone, if anyone is saying you that this part is very very important to cover for GATE aerospace exam 2023, no one knows what is going to come in 2023 exam. But one thing is very clear, there is a bit syllabus. If you have covered that, you are safe side. Okay, you are totally safe side. So don't bother about like, okay, I have to that friend was saying that 2D vibration is very very important, but I have not done yet 2D vibration. Or that friend was saying that in flight mechanics I must do Euler angle. No, it doesn't work, really doesn't work. Okay, so what is best advice here right now, whatever notes you have, only that note you revise. Okay, that's all from my side. And few more things, like in test series, also like when you were writing test series from my coaching center or somewhere else, so in that test series also you have taken notes, right? So if you are my student, then already in test series I have given a solution, so you just log in again in the test series and you keep revising the solution part. Or if you have taken some important facts out of the test series and now the fact is on your notebook, so those facts also you have to include in your revision part. So I'm very clear now. So in like in your 24 hours, first thing is your sleep pattern, food habits, whatever you are following. After that, whatever is free time you are assigning for your study, in that free time you have to make 3 slots. Every slot will be having of different timing. It depends on every individual. Like for example, if you are remaining with 9 hours, suppose you are remaining with 9 hours, so in that 9 hours of study, how many hours you have to give, you have to assign for the revision, I don't know, or it depends on you. Okay, right now what is your position, because revision is very very important. If you are not revising, if you keep on studying, believe me, you are going to fail. Because revision means, right now if I'll ask you all the formulas, are you able to recall? If you are able to recall the formulas, then very very good. If you are not able, for example, in case of moving shockwave, we have 3 important formulas. Have you gone, like, are you able to recall all the 3 important formulas? No. If you're able to recall, very good. Okay, in case of normal shockwave, we have formulas of pressure ratio in terms of density ratio and density ratio in terms of pressure ratio. Are you able to recall? No. Then see the point. If you're able to recall, very very good. It means you are right. So this is what I'm saying. And some students, if you are like able to recall the formula, it is good for you now, but it is not necessary that if you will take it for granted, then in future also you'll be, at the time of GATE exam also you'll be able to recall. Okay, so your point is, every day whatever you are knowing, very good, that should be definitely the part of your revisions, because already you have given so much input to that. Okay, and if you talk that which topic will come, which topic will not come, no one can give this thing that this topic will come, this topic will not come. So that's why complete 100% syllabus we have to go through. But don't worry if you have not done 100% syllabus. Whatever you have done, first thing is revision plan. If you have good revision plan, then very very good. If not, then you make this kind of revision plan. Now I will make a video for the EMT trick. This is my trick. Now for this trick I am making a new video.